What's going on? Welcome to this another video session. तो आज के वीडियो में हम लोग what we are going to cover in this video, like what are instances and class variables we will be covering in this video. Like it will be very a small video. Let's start the session. Let's do one thing. Let's first copy these things and then I will go and create a new lecture. Okay, it's lecture 34. Let's start the session without any intro. So now where I will go, what I will do, I will just copy paste this thing. Let's copy. This was the old video, like we covered upon these things. We created an instance of a class and these things, and then print out these things. So let's do. I have something like. Let me give like hobbies kind of stuff. By the way, hobbies spelling if it's wrong, bear with me. And it's like let's give it as uh, riding, bike riding. Let's give it a bike riding. Let's change it to not bike riding, dancing. TV stars hobbies is dancing. So this hobby is what? It's a variable which is associated with this class. So how I can use this variable, like if I want to use with me, so I will write me.hobby and I will see what data I am getting. I'm getting dancing, it's fine. I'm getting the writing dancing, it's absolutely fine. We are getting done. Then now the next thing, if I want to update it, for example, I'm not able to see what is the select statement. Yeah, this theme is very slide. I'm not able to see anything. Okay. For me, that hobbies is, for example, she loves to do bike riding. Let me change it to bike riding. And if I run this, you can see meet I'm getting here bike riding. But if I want to print, like let me print this one as well, TV stars dot hobbies. So let me replicate this, shift alt and here, and now let me choose TV star. I'm getting dancing, but it didn't modify this TV star. What it did, so if you are using any instance to update any variable which is available inside that class, it will create a new variable in that case. Like for me, it created a hobby, but it was not able to update the original TV star. So what I was saying, like I am not able to update the variable using any instance. Like what if I want to update it, I have to use this TV stars only. Let me copy this and shift alt and this one. Then I will use TV stars and I will go TV star dot hobbies. If I run this, I'm getting bike riding. So this was a small video where we cover upon how we can change the variable name which is inside our class. So we have to use that class name only to change it. We can't use any instance to change it. If we are using that, then in that case a new variable will be created for that instance. कुछ ही दिखा देता हूँ मैं आपको what I was going to show you. Let me do one thing, like I have this print command. Let me print this print. I have it meet dot one dict is there. I have some, yeah, you can see like this dict. Okay, let me copy this and print it after I use this command, and let me uncomment these two. By the way, I'm using control slash to comment out these things. So you can see before updating, it has that in the list name, meet, profession, SP. But after that, it had this hobbies as well. So in this way you can find out like a new instance, a new variable was created at the runtime for updating. So I will meet you in some other video. Till then, bye everyone.
Music